Welcome to WRC1. Verifying your account is a key step to securing your profile and unlocking our platform's full potential. In this video, we'll guide you through each step of the verification process so you can start trading confidently. First, log into your WRC1 account. If you're new here, ensure you've completed the registration process and are logged into your account dashboard. Once you're in, go to your account dashboard and locate the top menu right section. This is found under My Account. Find the documents and tap the Click to Verify button. To verify your identity, WRC1 will request an official government-issued ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Now press the Continue button to start the verification. Next, you'll need to choose a device of your choice to get verified. You'll need to choose your country of residence. Once you choose your county of residence, the application will ask you for applicant data. Complete the form with your first name, last name, and country. Enter your information exactly as it appears on your identity document. The application starts with email verification, which is going to send you a verification code to your email. Enter the verification code that you get in your email. Select type and issuing country of your identity document. Be selecting your document's issuing country and document type. Now upload your documents. Now the application is going to ask you to provide some selfie photos of your face. Please find a well-lit place. Ensure your face is within the frame and don't wear hats, glasses, and masks. Next, we'll need to upload your proof of address document. Choose your document type and upload your documents. The application will review your documents, which may take some seconds. And that's it. Verifying your account is simple and ensures your trading experience is secure and seamless. Thank you for watching, and welcome to WRC1.